how to transfer large files. Sometimes your artwork files are too large to email, especially if you're sending a packaged InDesign or Illustrator folder. In this video, we'll show you how to send large files using 3 free tools, no account needed. Let's start with FileMail. Go to filemail.com and drag your zipped artwork folder into the browser window. Choose Send as Link, then fill in the title and message fields. They won't affect the file, but they help label the transfer, and both are required. Click Send, then choose how long the file should stay available. The 1 day and 1 week options are free. Click Send again to upload the file. Once it's done, click Copy to Clipboard to grab the download link, then just paste that link into a personalized email to send your files to Coaster Factory. Next is SendGB. Go to SendGB.com. The interface is on the right side of the screen, with sign-up ads and promotions on the left. Drag and drop your zipped artwork folder into the upload area. Then click the button with the chain link icon to switch from email to link sharing. It will turn yellow once selected. Enter your email address. The order doesn't matter since it's all on the same interface. When you're ready, click Send. Confirm you're not a robot, and then click OK. Your download link will generate almost instantly. Click Copy, then paste the link into a personalized email to send your files to Coaster Factory. The last option is WeTransfer. Go to WeTransfer.com, where everything you need is right on the main screen. Drag and drop your zipped artwork folder into the upload area, then choose how long the file should stay online. Either 1 or 3 days for free. Click the 3-dot menu and select Create Link instead of sending by email. Enter your email address, then click Get a Link. You'll receive a verification code by email. Paste it into the box, decline the optional marketing sign-up, and your download link will be generated. Copy that link and paste it into a personalized email to submit your artwork to Coaster Factory. The whole process is quick, free, and works well for sending files up to 2 gigabytes. All 3 tools, FileMail, SendGB, and WeTransfer, are free, simple, and don't require any login. Just zip your packaged artwork folder, upload it, and send us the link. That's the easiest way to get large files to our graphics department without any headaches. Please check our video library for more helpful tips on creating the perfect coasters for any purpose, whether it's for events, marketing, decor, or something else. Coaster Factory is your premier coaster manufacturer.